Oh!
Can I have this?
Yes, you sure.
Thank you.
Thank you.
Gnarly.
Nice!
Check it out!
Milky.
Oh, hey there. Let's make some ramen. So first, we're just gonna get that water boiling real hot. Next, we're gonna open this baby up. Ooh, just put it right in there. Oh, yes, sirree. Ain't that a pleasure? Now it's just a waiting game. We're just waiting for them noodles to dissolve. So now we're just gonna start ripping that baby apart. Yeah! Shredding her to pieces. Some people like to be delicate with this. I prefer to go all rough. You gotta be rough with it. We're going with a little bit of unconventional methods. See, in college, you're gonna be broke. You're not gonna have cash for bowls, or utensils even. So, we're just gonna strain it and then add the sauces, all right? Let's go. That's what I'm talking about. A nice clean transfer. That's what you want, a nice clean transfer. All right, next we're just gonna ladle these nice little noodles out onto our plate after they've been strained. And now we're gonna add some nice sauces and seasonings. It's a crucial part right here. That's where all the flavor comes from. Oh yes, sirree. Gotta do a little. Spread that baby out right there, yeah. A little bit of a sprinkle. Now, we're just gonna make sure we mix it around for effective saucing with that nice golden brown coloring. And that's how we make ramen, ladies and gentlemen.
Mamma mia, today we're making some spaghetti. Now, the first thing you wanna do, fill up your pot with some water, right? It's the basic thing you do with pasta. And you want to put that on something hot. Doesn't matter what, just make sure you get your water boiling. We'll let that boil. After the water's come to a boil, you want to take out your pasta. Make sure you get all of it, right? And if you have a pan like this one, because you're in a confined space, like maybe a dorm room or something, I'd say break it up so you can really just fit it all in there. Now you want to just all at once, just and then just drop it in. We'll leave that to cook for a while. Now, you want to make sure all the noodles get an even amount of water on them. You don't want to leave any noodle undercooked, because no one likes a bit of a crunch in their mouth when they're eating pasta. You want to make sure they're all bendy, you know? Can't really leave them too hard. It's a little crunchy.
Golden.
All right, we're getting close to the end of the stirring here, but we're not done yet. After your noodles have boiled for about 10 minutes, you want to take it over and strain them out, you know? Make sure not to spill any hot boiling water on your flesh. Make sure we get all the water out. yeah. Some little stragglers in there like to hang on, don't they?
It's okay. It's right.
Alright, we're just gonna have to leave them in there. So, after this is done, find a plate. Make sure not to drip any hot water by putting it back in the pot. Now, you just want to serve your tasty spaghetti onto your finest china. Just easily on there. We don't want to use all of it, right? Unless you're baking for two. Alright, set this over here on top of that. And now you want to liberally apply some sauce. Mamma mia. Get the drizzle on there. Ooh, yeah. And there you have it. Spaghetti. Boom.
Alright, so we're making some mac and cheese. So, first thing you gotta do, 6 cups of water. You just gotta let it boil for a little bit. So now that your water is boiled, now you gotta put in the noodles. These noodles can take about 7 to 8 minutes, but really, wait until the last noodle is soft. No hard noodles. We want to mix the noodles too, just so that way we get rid of all the hard noodles and they don't stick to the bottom. Alright, so now our noodles are soft and ready. So now we gotta go get rid of all this water because you don't want wet noodles.
Make sure you get all the noodles out.
And now you go add your milk and cheese. So now you add 1/4 cup of some milk. Now you add your cheese. Once you mix it up a little bit, you need 4 tablespoons of butter. Now that you've mixed it all up, you can dish it out onto a plate to be served.
Here we are with Josh Honkamp's special ramen.
Special ramen, not just normal ramen. Good, good. Lots of flavor in that. That's pretty good. Good job, Josh.
Thank you.
I like it. I've never had it like on a plate with a fork, I guess. But like considering what you have to work with, like I'm impressed. I'll give it. Let's go 4.
All right, we're here with Mr. Cropper with some special spaghetti.
All right, thank you. Ooh, it's still warm. That's good. That's good.
It's surprising.
It's good. I like the sauce. That's really good. The texture, it feels fully cooked. Yeah, yeah. I guess my only complaint would be a nice little piece of bread. Piece of bread.
Remember that.
But the food itself, fantastic. I'll give it 4.5 stars.
All right, here we are, our 5-star macaroni, and now the taste test.
Okay. Good texture. I like it. Mmm. It's good. Cheesy. I like it. I like the flavor of the cheese too.
Nice.
I gotta give this one 5 stars.
Oh yeah, there
It's
it
the
is.
best one yet. 5 out of 5, Mr. Proppers!